Welcome back, thrill seekers. Been away for ages, been busy with work, incredibly busy, still am, but had to find time for a small project. So I've been fascinated with the Joseph Newman motor forever. I know it's a bit of a psychological disease for some people out there, but I just always loved his videos. And always wanted to try to build one, so looked up a couple of plans, and I think I've made a couple of improvements. This is just the first run at it. So you can see there, I don't have one of the the big magnets that say slots through the or cuts through the coils, because it's basically all the other magnets you see. They're big bar magnets, or they're up to here, either side, so they're cutting right through the coil. So mine's only a small magnet there. I just wanted to get the thing running first before I did anything else, get the circuit right. I'm still using Whoopi's. Hi Whoopi. I'm still using the good day. I'm still using his little circuit over here, which is just a pulse motor circuit. That's the Hall effect switch sitting in there that you see. And instead of using a commutator, I've just put bearings on the axle, and I've just connected straight up to the bearings either side of the end of the axles, so it drops off the problem of, say, friction, and it just I think would allow it to run a lot quicker. This one I've got running up at around 7,000 RPM, so not setting the world on fire, but quicker than a lot of the videos I've seen for the Joseph Newman motor. No flywheel on this baby, just using the VCR bearings, which are nice and low friction. The coil I'm doing is, and you can see there, I've tried to I haven't got two coils, I've got one continuous coil. It's a single wind. I've seen a lot of them out there that they're just layers upon layers. This is a single wind, and it's bifla. So you can see over here we've got the connection coming up from the bottom going up to the top, and it's a single wind bifla, 0.5 mil, whatever that is in the gauge, I'm not sure. Anyway, let's fire this baby up. I'll just give it a spin. Oh, that didn't last long. Oh, there we go. So she fires up nice and quick. Haven't quite got this right so it sits properly. And I've got another magnet. Another rotor, I should say. I'm going to try on it. But just to get an idea of the RPMs. It's just under 7,000 at the moment. Doesn't seem to be drawing terribly much current either, as sort of Joseph Newman said. I'm just running off this on a 12 volt 3 amp hour old car battery. One I pulled out of my wife's car that died. I haven't got a current meter on at the moment, or an amp meter on it, I should say. But doesn't seem to be drawing a hell of a lot. Anyway, bit of fun. The next rotor I'm going to be trying on this is this baby. Not too sure how that'll go, but it'll certainly splice the coil a lot more than what that sort of 1 inch is doing. So, and then after that, then I've got to soup up my little circuit so it can take several hundred volts, and we'll put on several hundred volts, put on some amp meters, measure input and output. If we get it up to enough RPMs, then I'll whack on the generator, which we'll be using probably some of these big coils with I think probably a delta configuration bridge rectifier. Anyway, there you go. Bit of fun. Speak soon. Bye guys. Leave a comment, thumbs up if you like it. Bye mate.